subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn what is switch in JavaScript. So basically switch is the form of if-else condition statement, but it's a kind of different thing. So let number value equals to math.float, math.random. So what this code will do, I'll simply write in the comment that this will generate a number which will be a random number which will be between 1 to 10 or 0 to 10, whatever it can be. And let me add some switch statement. So now this key will get the value as number value, and here we will write some different cases. So case 3 means if the number value is 3, then this console.log statement will be printed. Let me simply as you can see, what is the syntax of this switch statement? Switch statement is accepting some value, that is number value, and having different cases with a break. Okay, so case 3, then some statement, then break, then case 5, then some statement, then break. So similar fashion, I am simply writing some odd number value, and there is at the last we have a default, that is default, which means if none of the condition satisfies, if none of the case satisfies, then it will go to this default console. So here I am simply writing that the number is even. For now I have not considered 0 and 1 as a even number. I'll just simply I have not considered 1 as even odd number or 0 as even number. I'll just simply added some of the values 3, 5, 7 and 9 as an odd number. And in order to check what number we are getting, I'm simply written simply console.log number values. Let's go to the browser. So number is coming is 1, number is even number. As I already told you that I have not considered 1 here, but yeah, that can be ignored. So the number come as 6, so number is even. Number is 9, so number is 9. As we can see, number is 9, we are getting console as number as 9. When it was 6, we got as number is even. Now we have 7, so it is number is 7, and we have 1. So in every reference the value is getting changed, hence the console also. So this is how switch statement work in JavaScript.